Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust Pro camera speed in FC25. To adjust the Pro camera speed, first go into Settings in top left corner, then go to Settings, Game Settings, Camera, and now you can first make sure that custom camera settings are set to custom. You can use these arrows to switch between default and custom. Then go down to Pro camera speed and you can adjust this slider. Then when you're done, click on Escape to exit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.